So right here I'll be showing us how we could actually create a thank you page. But before then, I'll be showing us probably what I missed by creating our email marketing sequence or automation. So I'll be showing us how we can actually create, how we can actually make our mails, our emails or messages become personalized. Now, what do I mean by that? As soon as a lead clicks on this Primo panel, they should get a message on the mail that addresses them personally. All right. Now they could get a mail that says, "Hello Helen, hello Gabriel, hello Matthew, hello Titilayo, hello Ifunaya, hello Anima, all right, hello Motirayo, you've gotten the coupon code." You know, it becomes personalized. So I'll be showing us how we could do that. But before then, I want to show us some other advantages of using Mailmeet here. So let's go to this campaign here. Let's click on new campaign. Now it shows us these two options here of image sequence campaign and sequence for automation, which means that aside from the first mail, which is the welcome mail, we could also get more mails from stylearena.com. We could also get more mails from you. All right, we could also get more mails from you, which means that you could engage your audience, you could engage these your leads, because your goal is to convert them to buying customers. So aside from them getting that first mail, you also want to engage them. So you could be sending them series of mails, and you could make them automated. In other words, you could be getting those mails automatically, probably in every 3 days by interval. So it says send a series of emails with time intervals. So you could be sending them these emails probably in every 2 weeks, probably in every 3 days, probably in every 1 week, in every week. But it's only available on the pro version. In other words, you need to get the pro version for you to access it. And I actually have the pro version, but I'm not using it since I'm not creating an image sequence. All right, so let me now show us how we could create a personalized mail. So let's go to automations here, and let's go to this our welcome mail. All right, click on these 3 dots and then edit. All right, so if you take us to our automations, and then I'll be going to our email, going to this send an email here, and then I'll click on it, and then I'm coming towards here. All right, so let me just clean this, and then let me type something new. Let's type hello, and watch this. Watch this. All right, hello. I'll open 2 brackets, then type what contact dot small letter F for the first, then capital letter what N for the name, then close the brackets. That's all you need. This would capture the lead's name. This would capture the lead's name, then comma. You've just unlocked your 30% discount code. Discount code. That's all. That's all you just need. As soon as you've done this already, you've captured that first name of your lead. All right. So now, how did I get this first name? All right. Let me update this first. Let me update this. Update workflow. Now this change might not be affected immediately. All right. I mean that change might not be affected immediately. All right. So but you need to just keep coming back, or you might leave it that way. Later on to update by itself. All right. So now let's go to this form. Let me show you where we got our first name from. That's first name form. Now when we go to our form here, right? Let me edit this test landing page. Let me edit this. All right. So when we come to this form field here, where it says name, it was not originally name. If you could remember, it was name. It was first name that was here. I just changed it to what name. Now look at it here. Let me click on this. All right. So look at it here. Look at this. Look at this here. It says here first name. This was the original name that was there. This was the original name that was there. So this is where I got the first name from. All right. So remember, contact dot small letter F for the first, then capital what letter N for the name. Very good. So as soon as we've done this already, we now have an automated email, or a personalized email already. So next, I'll be showing us how we can actually create our thank you page. Hello guys, so right now I'll be showing us how we can actually create a thank you page. A thank you page is important to our website, so that once anyone clicks on this comes to our landing page and then clicks on this claim offer now, it would redirect them to a page where they would just get a brief information of what next they have to do. Alright, so we're going to our dashboard now. We come to pages and then all pages. Alright, and then we click on what, add new page, and then we would name it what, would name it thank you page. Very good. So I will click on what, publish, and then I would click on what, edit with Elementor. So it's taking me to where I'll be editing our thank you page. So all I have to do right now is to just ensure that I change the interface, this interface right now to Elementor canvas. So sorry, going back. So I'll just change it from these settings here, and then I'll change the page layout to what, to Elementor canvas. Very good. Alright, so I'll click on this plus sign here and then click on Flexbox, then this single structure container. Alright, so I will drag in a container here. Alright, so let me just first of all increase the size of this single structure container first. Let me change the layout to this mean height here to what, VH, and then give it 100. Very good. So let me justify it to the center. Alright, and then let me now drop a container here. Alright, very good. And then I will drop a text widget here as well. Very good. So now let me change the text widget here to something like congratulations. Alright, very good. So let me change the color. Let me change it to white. Let me leave it as purple first of all. Alright, let me centralize it. Very good. Now I will now need to add another text to it. Add another text to it in the same container. Very good. So let me change this to your form has been successfully submitted. Alright, perfect. So I would make this what, centralize. Alright, so I need to change the font as well. Let me change the font, let me change the color to dark purple, then change the font to Poppins. Alright, and then let me change this as well to Poppins. Alright, so I need to increase the size. Okay, it's okay like this. So I need to duplicate this as well. Duplicate this. Very good. So I need to change this to kindly do what? Kindly check your, so let me just kindly check your mailbox for your coupon code. Perfect. This is nice. So I would leave it this way. I could leave it this way. Alright, I could leave it this way. Okay, I could leave it this way. I could change the background color as well. Let me use a gradients color style. Come to style here, then let me choose gradients. Alright, and then change the first color here to light purple. Alright, and then change the second color here to what, dark purple, and then change the fonts here, the color of the fonts here to what, to white, and then this as well, change it to what, to white. Alright, and this as well to what, to white. Alright, so this is beautiful. So this is okay already. So we have our thank you page already. So the next thing I'm doing right now is to do what, is to update it, and then I will now go and integrate our thank you page with our main meet page. Alright, so let me duplicate this page and then exit here, come here, exit to dashboard. let's go to our dashboard. So right now I'll go to our main meet. On that main meet I'll come to forms directly. Come to forms directly on that main meet. So I would edit our test landing page here. I'll edit it. Click on edit. Alright, then I'll come to this right hand side where it says confirmation settings. Alright, so I'll change this confirmation type as from same page to a page, or I could use to a custom URL. Or that means if I have the URL of my thank you page, I could just come and then paste it here. But I'll be using this this to a page. Then I will select let me type thank you page. Let me type thank you. So it's already here already. So I'll just change this default right up here to something like redirecting. Very good. Now let me click on what updates. Very good. So right now I would come back to our page here. Let me now go to our landing page itself. Let me come back to our landing page. Now if we go to our website from here right now, this place I'm moving my mouse over and I click on visit site. Alright, it will take me to our to a default page that came with our hosting, which is more like a blog site. So I want to change it to our landing page. Alright, I want the destination to be our landing page. So I'll come over to settings here and then go to reading. Alright, so I would change the destination from this your latest post, which is also the same thing as blog post, to a static page. Alright, a static page. So I'll change the home page here to a landing page, and then I'll scroll down and click on what save changes. Now let me now check if it has been affected already when I come over to my site now. Okay, so it's still on the default page. If you give some time to go back to the landing page, it would so just give some time to go back to the landing page. So now let's now go to our landing page. Let's go to our landing page and then click on this edit with Elementor. Let's go to this. Let's come view. Sorry, let's go back. Let's click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so let's now click on preview changes from here. Preview changes. Where you see this eye downward here, let's click on preview changes. Very good. So right now I can do I can now scroll down to the form and then just type anything here and just type Israel. Okay, and just type Israel and just use this let me now click on this claim offer now. So it's showing redirecting here. Perfect. This is how it works. So it's saying here, congratulations, your form has been submitted successfully. Kindly check your mailbox for your coupon code. So the lead now has an information that you can work with. So we will then check his mailbox to see if it has been if the mail has been sent already. So let's now check our own page to see if it has worked already. If it hasn't worked yet, we'll still check back. Alright, we'll still check back. Alright, to see if it's working now. startthewebinar.com. Alright, so it's working now. So finally our destination is now our landing page. Alright, so I'm so sure that you have learned how to create a landing page already. Then you've learned how to create a thank you page and how you can actually change the destination of your site as well. Now this landing page is would be important if you want to create an ad, and probably the goal of your ad is just to create an awareness of your brand, and probably just want to get leads. You could use your landing page as a URL for your ad. Alright, so but if you want to make sales, you could change the destination of your ad of your site to your e-commerce site or probably your business site, so that you could redirect those leads directly to your business site or your e-commerce site, where you could just purchase the product directly. Right, but if your goal is just to convert them, is to make them become a potential buyer later on, and then retarget them, then it's important that you use your landing page as a URL for your ad. Alright, so I'm so sure you have learned quite a lot how to create a landing page and how to create a thank you page, and then how you could actually link your thank you page with your main means, and how you could change the direction, the destination of your site as well. Alright, so we'll see in the next class where I'll be teaching you how to create an e-commerce online store.